with different dynamics. Today's activity is the shadow game. Start by going outside in search of your shadow. Once you find it, spend some time observing how your shadow moves along with you. You can also take some time to read a book about shadows. Have fun with shadow puppets. Trace your shadow on the sidewalk. Maybe even explore the science behind how a shadow is formed. There are so many opportunities and a lot of resources available. In the description for this video, you'll find a link to the activity guide. And in that activity guide, I've included some of my favorite resources. Now we're ready to play the shadow game. Take turns being each other's shadows. One person will be the leader and the other person will stand behind the leader, facing their back, so that they can mimic and follow the leader's body movements. While you're the leader, try experimenting with movements that are up high, in the middle, down low, and all the way to the ground. You can use any music that you like, but I have included a few of my favorite shadow songs in the Music Workshop Supplemental playlist. Sometimes, using an object to lead our movements can help our more timid movers. If you have scarves or ribbons at home, or even a dishcloth can work. I've even used pillowcases. Have fun and be creative with your movements. We hope that you will share your shadow dances with us on social media at #DifferentDynamicsSTL. See you next time.